Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to do something really special. We're going to transform one of the most functional rooms in our house, the bathroom, into a personal tropical spa oasis. And the secret ingredient? Plants. Forget expensive renovations. With just a few green friends, you can turn your daily routine into a luxurious escape. So if you're ready to bring a touch of paradise into your home, you're in the right place. So why plants in the bathroom? It's not just about aesthetics, although they do look amazing. Plants that thrive in high humidity can bring some incredible benefits. First, they act as natural air purifiers, filtering out common toxins and releasing fresh oxygen. This creates a cleaner, healthier breathing environment. Second, the steam from your showers creates the perfect microclimate for these tropical beauties, meaning less work for you. The humidity helps keep their leaves lush and vibrant. And let's be honest, there's something incredibly calming about being surrounded by greenery. It reduces stress and instantly elevates the ambiance, making your bathroom feel less like a utility room and more like a five-star retreat. It's a simple change that makes a world of difference for both your well-being and your home's style. Let's dive into our first plant, a true classic for humid spaces. The Boston fern. Look at these gorgeous feathery fronds. Boston ferns absolutely adore the steam and moisture from a hot shower. They are the quintessential bathroom plant because they thrive in conditions that many other houseplants would find challenging. To keep your Boston fern happy, place it where it can get bright, indirect light. A frosted bathroom window is perfect. They don't like direct sun, which can scorch their delicate leaves. The key is consistent moisture. Your daily showers will help a lot with humidity, but you'll still want to make sure the soil stays evenly moist, not waterlogged. If the tips of the fronds start to turn brown, it's a sign that the air might be a bit too dry, so you can mist it occasionally between showers. A lush Boston fern hanging in a corner can instantly make your bathroom feel like a tropical jungle. Next up, for a touch of elegance and a stunning pop of color, let's talk about orchids. Now you might think of orchids as high maintenance, but many varieties, especially the phalaenopsis or moth orchid, are surprisingly well suited for a bathroom environment. They love the high humidity, which mimics their native tropical habitat. The warm, steamy air from a shower helps keep their aerial roots hydrated and encourages blooming. The best spot for an orchid is near a window that provides bright, indirect light. Just like the fern, direct sunlight is a no-go. When it comes to watering, let the potting medium, usually bark, dry out almost completely between waterings. The humidity in the bathroom means you will water less frequently than if it were in a dry living room. With the right care, these beauties will reward you with spectacular long-lasting flowers, adding a truly luxurious spa-like feel to your space. Our third plant is the wonderfully low-maintenance peace lily. If you want a plant that's both beautiful and works hard for you, this is it. Peace lilies are famous for their air-purifying abilities. In fact, NASA even studied them for their power to remove toxins from the air. They have these gorgeous, glossy, dark green leaves and produce elegant white blooms that look like little white flags of peace. They are incredibly forgiving and will tell you when they're thirsty. Their leaves will start to droop dramatically. Just give them a good drink and they'll perk right back up. Peace lilies prefer low to medium indirect light, making them perfect for bathrooms that don't get a ton of sun. They enjoy the high humidity, which helps keep their leaves looking their best and can even encourage more frequent blooming. For a serene, clean, and calm vibe, you really can't go wrong with a peace lily. Now, for those of you who might be a little nervous about keeping plants alive, let me introduce you to your new best friend, the snake plant. Also known as sansevieria, or mother-in-law's tongue, this plant is nearly indestructible. Seriously, it thrives on neglect. Snake plants are incredibly hardy and can tolerate a wide range of conditions, from low light to bright indirect light. They also have very low water requirements. In a humid bathroom, you might only need to water it once a month, if that. Always let the soil dry out completely between waterings to avoid root rot. What's fantastic about snake plants is their strong, architectural look. Their upright, stiff leaves add a modern, sculptural element to any space. They come in various patterns and shades of green, yellow, and silver. Plus, like the peace lily, they are excellent air purifiers, even converting carbon dioxide to oxygen at night. For a stylish, beginner-friendly option, the snake plant is a clear winner. Last but certainly not least, we have the versatile and oh-so-charming pothos. This plant is another fantastic choice for beginners because it's incredibly easy to grow and very forgiving. Pothos is known for its beautiful heart-shaped leaves and its vining nature. You can let it trail down from a high shelf, hang it in a basket from the ceiling, or even train it to climb up a wall. The possibilities are endless. It looks stunning cascading down the side of a vanity or a windowsill. Pothos is adaptable to different light levels, from low light to bright indirect light, though its variegation will be more pronounced in brighter spots. It loves the humidity of a bathroom, which will help it grow faster and produce larger leaves. As for watering, just let the top inch or two of soil dry out before you water it again. It's a fast grower, so you'll get that lush, jungle-like effect in no time. If you want a plant that adds a dynamic, trailing element to your bathroom spa, pothos is the perfect pick. So now that you've got some plant ideas, let's quickly cover a few general maintenance tips to ensure your bathroom jungle thrives. First, light is key. Most of these plants prefer bright, indirect light. A bathroom with a window is ideal. If you have a windowless bathroom, don't worry. You can use a full-spectrum LED grow light to keep your plants happy. Second, humidity. Your showers will provide a lot of it, but pay attention to your plants. If you see crispy brown edges on the leaves, they might need a little extra misting. Third, watering. The high humidity means you'll water less often. Always check the soil before you water. A good rule of thumb is to stick your finger an inch or two into the soil. If it's dry, it's time to water. If it's damp, wait a few more days. Overwatering is the most common way people kill their houseplants, especially in a humid environment. Finally, make sure your pots have drainage holes to prevent water from sitting at the bottom and causing root rot. And there you have it. 5 incredible plants: the Boston fern, orchid, peace lily, snake plant, and pothos that can transform your bathroom into a personal tropical spa. We've covered how each one not only adds beauty and style, but also improves the air quality and thrives in the unique environment of a bathroom. By choosing the right plants and following a few simple care tips, you can create a serene, green oasis where you can relax and rejuvenate every single day. It's an easy, affordable, and incredibly rewarding project. I hope this has inspired you to bring some green into your bathroom. Which plant was your favorite? Let me know down in the comments. I'd love to see pictures if you decide to create your own bathroom spa. Thanks so much for watching today. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more home and plant inspiration. See you in the next one.